Welcome back to Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to talk upper traps. We're going to work the upper traps in one of my very favorite techniques, which is a pincing technique. So what I like to do is I like to take the arm off the edge of the table so that there's some slack up here in the upper traps. And then I'm going to come in here and with as broad a tool as I can, I'm going to collect as much of the upper traps as close to the spine as I can, and I'm taking my other hand and I am going to push the scapula up to further shorten that muscle as I take and squeeze. I'm going to squeeze to the pressure where I feel resistance. I feel the muscle, the thick band of upper trap between my thumb and my forefinger. And I can just gently shear that between my thumb and forefinger or just hold it and compress and pull. So I'm pulling the tissue away from her towards her head and I'm squeezing and then I'm just holding. I'm going to hold and wait and let this pressure into my scapular hand is slowly sliding up. That's okay. I can reposition it if I need to. And then as I feel the tissue release, it's going to just melt, kind of run right out of my fingers. Then I can come, and I started up here closer to the spine. Now I'm going to come here a little more lateral and do the same thing. And I got this nice big bunch of upper traps in my hands. And I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm just going to compress, pull, and wait. Wait for the magic to happen. It never fails. Muscles always lose. We always win with this pincing technique. And you want to make sure that you stay within your client's pain tolerance, which is a hurt so good feeling, not a hurt so bad. If it hurts too much, then they're going to react negatively. So make sure the comfort level is at a hurt so good pressure, and I'll go ahead and check in. I probably should have checked in sooner, but how are you doing with the pressure? Is this good?
I'm good.
Okay. And then now I'm on the way more laterally, heading closer to the AC joint. And again, this just requires some nice patience, waiting for these upper traps to let go. I do this in the beginning of my massage, after the warming. This is usually one of the first places I go because most people have a tendency to bring their shoulders up to their ears and they don't even realize it. So it's great to just start with this one, bring these shoulders back down, and then we can move on and work the rest of the body.